Hi. Okay, we are back. I'm ready for our reading class. Hello, Herson. Hello, Adriana. Gracias por el saludo. Thank you. Are we ready with our reading books? Let's see how many participants do we have. We have 16. We can still wait a little longer. Hello, Fabiola. Hello, Carlitos. Okay, hello, Danielito. And Alexander. Hello, Ariel. Gracias por el saludo, chicos. Estoy muy agradecida. Thank you, Mario. Hello. Okay, here we are once again. And we have to get ready for our work. Okay, here I have a Genesis Acosta cell phone. A ver, ¿quién está con el nombre? Okay, aquí tengo, quiero ver. Oh, yes, it's you, Daniel. Hello. Okay. Let me see as well. ¿Quién más? ¿Quién más? Who else? Okay, we have enough. Creo que ya somos bastantes.
Bien, André, fuera de mi cuarto.
Y lo más seguro es que los demás se vayan incorporando. That's okay, Daniel. Okay, sweeties, I think we are ready. So I'm just going to do two things over here.
Ya se conectó.
Let's
Vamos
see.
a ver el video. Qué niña más. ¡Ándate de mi cuarto!
Okay, here we are. We silent the microphones, guys. We are ready. Hello, Santiago. Okay, we are ready. We already silent our microphone. We have our books ready. Remember, today is workbook, not the student book, the workbook, black and white. Remember that. It's not the color book, it's the black and white book. Okay, black and white book. Today we're going to work on our workbook. Okay, and we are going to, of course, to have a short review of last class. So we can remember the vocabulary words and we can remember our story that we read. Okay, we're gonna have a review as well. So let's share our screen right now. Let's see. We are going to share our screen. Here we are. Okay, here we are. Let's see if we can complete and make it full. Okay, here we are, reading class, Bird in the Carnival of Animals. Can we read perfectly well what it says? Can we see the screen perfectly well? Let's see, mis ayudantes preciosos, those special helpers. Can you see the screen? Yes, as Herson. Yes, as Adriana. Gracias, Mia. Santiago, yes. And okay, Daniel, yes. Adriana, yes. No problem. Okay, here we are. We are ready for our reading class for today. Maria says yes, and Ariel says yes. Thank you very much for your help. Okay, we are in our reading class. The name of the unit is Birds in the Carnival of Animals. Remember, this was our last class where we saw some vocabulary and a beautiful story. So today, just to remember a little bit what we saw last class, we are going to work on the vocabulary that we already practiced, and then we are going to listen to the story one more time so we can remember what is the beauty of looking and living surrounded by a beautiful environment and with different kind of animals, including our birds. Okay, so we can remember that beautiful story that we heard last class. So, así que comenzamos con un repaso. We are going to begin with a review, okay? So we are going to have today a lot of things to do in our workbook. Remember, today is workbook, and today is September 29th. We are on a beautiful Tuesday. The work for today, reading class, Birds in the Carnival of Animals. Okay, here we go. Let's begin by remembering. I know that you remember. Mis chicos, ustedes son buenísimos. I know that you remember. So let's begin with the review of the vocabulary that we saw last class. Okay, remember that this was a warm-up, and it says that you have to identify these birds, 4 different kind of birds, and the sound they make. Everybody communicates in a different way. Animals, they communicate in different ways as well. The birds are no exception. They communicate in different ways with different kind of sounds, right? That's the way they communicate. So today we are going to identify number 1, the name of the bird, and number 2, the sound that it makes. But before we do it with our magic pen, we are going to do it orally. So I need volunteers. Volunteer who can tell me the name of the first bird, okay, and the sound it makes. You still have it in your book. Let's see Santiago, excellent work. Santiago is ready. Let's see Santiago. Do you have the microphone open, Santiago? Can you turn on the microphone? Let's see if Santiago can turn on the microphone. Yes, Santiago.
Owl.
Owl, excellent. And the sound, Santiago? Do you know the sound?
Hood.
Okay, the owl hoot. Excellent, Santiago. Well done. Very good job. Empezamos súper bien. Okay. So the owl, this is an owl. Okay, and remember what we did? And we identified the sound as well. Let's see, Fabiola. Yes, Fabiola. Number 2.
Rooster.
Excellent. And the sound, Fabiola? What is the sound that the rooster does?
Cook a doll. Do.
Excellent, Fabiola. Well done. Perfect. Okay, we have here the second bird, and he is a rooster. And the sound that he produces, let's see the sound, the rooster cockadoodles. Let's repeat because this is a very fun word, really fun word. Let's repeat. Cockadoodle. Cockadoodle. Okay, excellent. A really fun word. Está divertida. Okay, so the rooster, cockadoodles. Let's see, Adriana, number 3, Adriana.
Duck.
The duck, and the sound, Adriana?
Quack.
Excellent, good job. Okay, number 3, it is a duck. And what does the duck do? How does the duck communicate? The duck quacks. Excellent, well done. And Carlitos was waiting. Yes, Carlitos, number 4.
Cuckoo.
It's a cuckoo, and the sound?
Cuckoo.
Excellent, Carlos, very good. So the bird, the name of the bird is cuckoo, and the sound it produces, it cuckoos. Very good job. It cuckoos. Excellent. Okay, let's repeat at home. Let's do it right now. Let's repeat. Owl. It hoots. Let's repeat. It hoots. Number 2, let's repeat. Rooster. Excellent. It cockadoodles. Very good job. It cockadoodles. Excellent. Okay, let's repeat number 3. Duck. It quacks. It quacks. Excellent, well done. And number 4, cuckoo. Number 4, cuckoo. It cuckoos. Very good job. It cuckoos. There we are. Okay, let's see. we finished this part of the review. We finished our vocabulary. Let me just erase the line so we can continue with the next part. Okay, the next part of our review is the story. Remember the beautiful story we had last class? The title of the story was Birds in the Carnival of Animals. And all the animals were compared with different kind of musical instruments. It was a beautiful story, right? So now we have the vocabulary. Let's remember the story and let's enjoy that comparison and the beautiful sounds that our birds create between in the nature, okay? In the nature, en la naturaleza. So let's pay attention to the story. And when the story begins, please write a yes if you can hear it, okay? So as soon as it begins, if you can hear it, you write a yes. Si le escucha al solo comenzar, me manda un yes, that you can hear it, okay? So let's pay attention to the story before we start working in our workbook. Here we go.
Birds in the Carnival of the Animals.
Okay, excellent. Thank you, chicos. Gracias.
Birds make beautiful sounds. Camille Saint-Saëns, a French composer, liked birds. He wrote The Carnival of the Animals in 1886. It has pretty songs about birds. One of the songs is Hens and Roosters. In this song, violins and pianos are played fast and loud. When you listen to them, you can hear chickens eating grain. The cuckoo in the woods is quiet and peaceful. You can imagine taking a walk in the woods. A clarinet makes a cuckoo's sound while you walk. In The Swan, a cello makes a slow, smooth sound. It sounds like a swan swimming on a lake. It is beautiful. Now go listen to the birds outside. Can you hear any of Saint-Saëns' songs?
Okay, now help me with the right answer so we can open the microphones. Who can tell me the name of the composer of these beautiful songs, that music that we just heard? Raise your hand and we are going to open the microphones. Let's see, who can give me the name of the composer of these beautiful, beautiful musical plays that we just heard? Let's see. Yes, but I want it on the microphone. Let's see, Carlitos. Open your microphone because you know the answer.
Camille.
Excellent, Carlitos. It was Camille Saint-Saëns. Excellent job. Very good. Let's see who else is paying attention. Let's see. Camille Saint-Saëns. Was he Salvadorian? Where was this composer from? Do you know? Was he Salvadorian? Was he American? I want to know the name of the country. Where is he from? From Brazil? From Spain? Who can tell me? Let's see. Raise your hand. And oh, Mia, excellent. Where is he from, Mia?
French.
Excellent. He's French. So that means that he is from, if he's French, what country is he from? Okay, he's French, es francés. So what country is he from? Give me the name of the country. Do you know the name of the country? If he's French? Very good, Maura. Okay, Maura knows. Let me see. Let me see. Where is Maura? So Maura can help me over here and share with me the answer. Okay, Maura, please turn on your microphone. Where is he from?
Es de Francia.
Okay, excellent. Okay, that was in Spanish. Muy bien. Now let's see in English, Santiago. Santiago knows the answer. Yes, Santiago? Where is he from?
From France.
Excellent, Santiago. Good job. Okay, he is from France. France. He is French, but the country is France. Excellent. Okay, who can mention two musical instruments that we have here in this story? You heard these instruments play. Let's see, Adrianita.
Violins and pianos.
Excellent. Very good job, Adriana. Okay, we could hear violins and pianos. Beautiful sound. Okay, we have two more. We're missing two more. Who can give me two more names of musical instruments that we can hear in this story and that they were mentioned in the story? Do you know two more instruments that we have here in the story? Let's see who can help me. Do we know? Let's see, Carlitos knows one. Let's see, Carlitos, tell me the name of one of them.
Clarinet.
Excellent, very good, Carlos. We have a clarinet and we're missing one more. Do you know one more? We're missing one more. Very good, Herson, as well. Okay, Fabiola knows another one. Yes, Fabiola.
Piano.
Excellent, we have the piano. Very good. Let's see, Adriana, do we have another one?
Cello.
Excellent, that was the one. Esa estaba buscando. Very good. Adriana said cello. Okay, the cello. Okay, we mentioned the piano, the violin, the clarinet, and the cello. Excellent work. Very good job. And the story, of course, was about different kind of animals. What kind of animals? The names of the animals that are mentioned here in the story. Who can give me two names of two animals that are mentioned here in the story? Let's see. Let's open the microphone for those who know the name of two animals that are mentioned here on the story. I just want two. I only need two. Let's see, Mia. Help me here.
Hens and roosters.
Excellent. First of all, we have the hens and the roosters. Very good job. We have another one. Give me the name of two more. I think it's one. You can give me one or two because they are mentioned here in the story. Let's see. Yes, Fabiola.
Cuckoo.
Excellent. Very good job, Fabiola. We also have the cuckoo. Excellent. Well done. Okay, los felicito, chicos. You remembered the story and you paid a lot of attention. Well done. Excellent. Okay, let's continue then. Let's move on. Okay, open your books. Open your books. We are on page 23. Here we are on page 23. Let's open our books. Let's begin with the vocabulary practice. Inside the box, we have different words that we already review at the beginning of the class. Ya vio, para esto el repaso. So we can remember the vocabulary. Okay, so it says, write the correct words for the definitions. We have the words hen, cuckoo, rooster, woods, grain, and imagine. Okay, these are the words that we are going to put here beside the correct answer. Let's see, we have the definition. So let's begin with number 1. I need the word that we could use for the first definition. The first definition says, a bird with a sound like its name. But we are going to open microphones because I need a very good participation, but in the microphone. We already know the answer. Let's see, Janina, you know the answer. Tell me the name of number 1.
Cuckoo.
Excellent, very good job. Good, Janina. The first one is the cuckoo, because the bird has the name with the same sound, the name of his sound too. Number 2, let's see number 2, and who is going to be a good volunteer today? It says corn, wheat, or other plants. Which animal eats corn, wheat, or other plants? Let's see, Danielita Marie. Or this is not the animal, but the word that means the same.
Grain.
Excellent. Okay. We are looking for the same, the word with the same definition. So corn, wheat, or other plants. Another word for it is grain. It is also called grain. Okay, that's number 2. Let's see number 3. What is the word for a small forest? Small forest. Let's see, Carlitos, do you know? Number 3.
Woods.
Excellent, Carlitos. Good job. Well done. It is woods. Perfect. Excellent. Good job. Let's see number 4. We have number 4 over here. A female chicken. Oh, this is easy. Who can tell me the name that a female chicken receives? How do we call a female chicken? Do we call it elephant? Do we call it rabbit? What's the name of a female chicken? Let's see who can tell me. Okay, we have Adriana. Help me, Adriana. Do you know, Adriana, the name of a female chicken? We have it over here on the box. Okay, maybe your microphone maybe is not working well, sweetie. Let's see, Mia. Let's see, Mia. Give me the answer.
Hen.
Excellent, Mia. Good job. Very good. Here we have it. Hen. Number 5. To make a picture in my mind. If I do it in my mind, okay, what is the name or the word that we are going to use? Let me see. Maura already knows. Let's see, Maura. What is it?
Imagine.
Excellent. Very good. Very good job. Okay, we have the word and the definition. So the word is imagine. To make a picture in my mind. And number 6, now it's time for the boy. We already saw the name of the girl. Now the boy, the male chicken. What is the name of the male chicken? Do we know what is the name of the male chicken? Do we know? Let's see, Fabiola, do you know?
Rooster.
Excellent, very good, Fabiolita, very good, Mia. Excellent, rooster. Rooster, well done. Okay, we already finished the first exercise from page 23. We already identified the words and we matched them with the definition. So number 1 is cuckoo, number 2 grain, 3 woods, 4 hen, 5 imagine, and the last one was rooster. Okay, great job. Let me erase them so we can continue with our next exercise. Because I'm sure that you are ready. Ya ustedes ya han de estar listos. Okay, let's see. Let's continue. Okay, always on page 23, we have the second part of our exercise. It says, write the best words to complete the sentences. The words are here at the top, just like the exercise before, and the words are sound, violins, peaceful, and lake. Sound, violins, peaceful, and lake. So let's continue the same way that we did with the other exercise. We are going to say the word or the answer in the microphone, okay? So let's see number 1. This orchestra has many. I need you to read it and to tell me the answer. Let's see, Danielita Marie. Read number 1 and the answer.
This orchestra has many violins.
Excellent. Very good job, Daniela. Well done. This orchestra has many violins. Okay, let's read it together and repeat for pronunciation. This orchestra has many violins. Very good job. Excellent. Orchestra, what is an orchestra? Una orquesta. This orchestra has many violins. Let's see number 2. Who can read for me number 2 and give me the answer at the same time? A ver, chicos que no me han participado. ¿Qué tal si participamos? ¿Ah? Let's see, Cristiano. Give it a try, Cristiano. Intentémoslo, Cristiano. Let's see number 2.
My mom loves the sound of rain.
Perfect, Cristiano. Well done. Good job. Te felicito. Good, good, good. Okay, let's write here the answer. Excellent word. An excellent answer. Here it says, my mom loves the sound of rain. Good. Let's see number 3. I want more participants. I want those who haven't participated yet. Vamos a ver, voluntarios de los que no me han participado aún. Quiero ver. I know you can do it. Gaby, can you help me, Gaby, with number 3? Can you turn on your microphone, Gaby? Let's see if Gaby can help me. Can you help me, Gaby? Okay, maybe she has problem with her microphone. I don't know. Okay, thank you, Gaby, anyway. Gerardo, can you help me, Gerardo? Do you know number 3? Let's see, Gerardo, can you turn on your microphone? Intentémoslo, Gerardo. No? Oh, but I have someone. Tengo alguien que sí sabe. Let's see. Veamos que sí ya me escribió que sabe la respuesta. Let's see. Intentemos entonces con Ari. Let's see, Ari. Give me number 3.
Hola. Hola.
Yes, Ari.
Hola.
Oh, wait, Ari. Ok, vamos a seguir después, Ari, porque Gerardo ya se conectó. Yes, Gerardo. Vamos a
Perdón,
ver.
es que esta compu solo es de teclado, no tengo ningún mouse.
That's okay, mi amor. Let's see. Let's read number 3.
La número 3. Let's go finish at here.
Read it and give me the answer.
Lake es lake.
But let's read it, Gerardo. Let's read number 3.
¿Qué?
Read it. Leámoslo, Gerardo.
Let's go fishing at the lake. Es fácil.
Very good. Excellent, Gerardo. Good job. Te felicito. Very good. Well done. Okay, let's see. It was lake. Very good, Gerardo. And the last one, a ver si Ari me ayuda with the last one. Let's see, Ari, the park is very place.
The park is very peaceful place.
Excellent, Ari. Very, very, very good. Well done. Las felicito, chicos. Qué buen trabajo. Excellent work. Let's see. The park is a very peaceful place. Yes, there we are. Good job. Excellent work, guys. Now let me erase it so we can continue with the second page and our last page. Let's see, here we are, sentence practice. Sentence practice. Okay, here I'm going to help you because you need to also to write the sentences, so you need time. So let's start working on the first one. Let's see, it says, it has pretty songs. Through the chat, who can tell me the answer? It has pretty songs. What about this that it has pretty songs? It has pretty songs, it says. That they are about. Excellent, Danielita Maureen. Very good job. Very good, Maud. Excellent work. Okay, it says it has pretty songs about, let's see, oh my God, I need my pencil again. Here it is. Here we are. About birds. Very good. Number two, one of the songs. The answer is, who can tell me the name of one of the songs? Very good, Adriana. Is Hens and Roosters. Excellent, Adriana. You're very fast. Very good. Is Hen and Roosters. Number three, in the swan, a cello makes, what does it make? What is the answer? In the swan, that is the name of the song, a cello makes. It makes cookies. It makes letters. What does it make? Let's see if we have someone who can tell me the answer. We have only two options over here. We have only two options. Very good, Mia. She was the fastest. Very good. A slow, smooth sound. And as a result, the last one, the leftovers, that is this one and this one, they go together. Now go listen to the birds outside. Okay, as you know, what you have to do after matching them is writing it down. All you have to do is put everything together. I'm just going to do number one so you know what you have to do. We are going to put together the first part and the second part that we found about birds. Okay, period. So we have number one. We just put together the two options that we already matched. Okay, it has pretty songs about birds. And that's the same thing that you have to do with number two that we already matched, with number three and number four. So you have to write them down here in this space. Number two, number three, and number four. Okay, those fast students that I have, if you already finished, please write down yes in the chat so we can continue with the last exercise for today. If you finished, if you copy everything, you write yes. Very good, Adriana. Excellent, Danielita Marin. Good, Rodrigo. Very, very good, Rodrigo. Excellent. Let me wait for two more. Very good. Okay, here we have more. Hurston, Marianne, Adriana, and Danielle. Okay, here we go. Let's erase it because we're done. Very good, Elias. Good, Fabiola. Excellent. Well done. We are ready for our last exercise. Unscramble the sentences. Let's remember the word unscramble means to put in order, in the correct order. Here we have everything mixed up. You can see that everything is mixed up. It is not in order. So what do we have to do? We have to put everything in the correct place that is unscrambled. So let's see number 1. We are going to begin by finding the subject or what or the topic that we are talking about. And we are talking about this song. So we begin with in this song. That is how we begin. Then we have a comma, right? In this song, comma. As you can see over here in the original, we had a comma. And then it says violin. So we have to continue with the same idea. In this song, violins, but not only violins, because we are mentioning another instrument. So in this song, violins and pianos. Very good, Maura. Good job. She already sent the answer. Good. We are going to do it together just for you to get a clear idea. In this song, violins and pianos, what do they do? Or who are they? Or what are they doing? It says that are played. How are they played? ¿Cómo los tocan? Remember, there is a tip that you have to cross out every part that you use. Todo lo que use, vaya tachándolo. Para que lo que le quede, usted sepa dónde ubicarlo. Ese es un consejo. Mira. Are played, let's write it correctly, are played fast and loud. Very good, Danielita, Mia, Marianne. Very good, Maura. Excellent job. Okay, there it is. Let's complete number 2 now. When you listen to them, you can. Excellent, Adriana. Well done. Qué bárbara, Adriana ya lo tiene. Very good job, Adriana. Excellent. Sigamos trabajando, chicos. Capital letter. Remember, we begin with capital letter. When we listen to them, you can hear chickens eating grain. Okay, there we are. We begin with capital letter. Very good, Adriana. Excellent work. When we listen to them, we can hear chickens. Let's see, because of the time, we are going to speed up a little bit. You can imagine taking a walk in the woods. Very good, Maura. Excellent. Very good, Adriana. Qué bárbara. Super rápidas. Very good job. Excellent. Here we go. Finally, it sounds like a swan swimming on a lake. Oh God, no pudimos escribirlo. El tiempo se nos va a acabar, chicos. Pero tratemos de hacer las últimas solitos si se nos acaba. It sounds like a swan swimming on a lake. Okay. Yo creo que la última la haremos solitos, chicos. Okay, you can do it on your own. Don't worry. Haremos el último solitos. It is easy, it's not difficult. And that way we can call it for today. Y así terminamos la clase de hoy. Okay, so thank you for your participation. And remember that the last one, we do it alone. Usted ya puede hacerlo solito, so don't worry. Bye, sweeties. Los quiero mucho. Señor me los bendiga. Excelente clase. Y me envían las fotos, por favor. Okay, good job.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.
Bye, me.
Bye, Herson.
Bye.